Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have WhatsApp mobile application and I'm going to show you where you can easily find your WhatsApp backup files in your Google Drive. So, if you go to your settings in your WhatsApp application and then go into chats and scroll down to chat backup, you'll see that your last backup was at that time and it's its size. And as you can see, you've added your Google account. But where can you find it? You have to go into your Google Drive, and here you have to go into Files. Now you have to click on these three lines over here and click on Backups. Here, as you can see, it's our WhatsApp backup. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.